This is one of the best tea to drink after coming in from the cold. Bit of cinnamon, ginger, and some lemon. I'm gonna add 1 tea bag to this. I'm using a herbal tea bag, natural, organic. All you need to do, pour some hot water over this and watch it steep. Release all those love. After let this steep, then enjoy. If you feel like add a little bit of honey to this, feel free to do so. But this tea is full of antioxidants, good for your digestive system, help you to relax, especially when you're coming in from the cold. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, do leave a positive comment.